And welcome back. Here today I've got a quick little build. This is by Sembo blocks. Recently, well, a few months ago now, released another four ranges of cars for their famous car collection. It's basically what they brand their Speed Champions range, basically. It's the 8 stud wide cars. They don't brand them with any particular manufacturer because they're not licensed, but clearly you can tell that is a Lamborghini. And that is the Sian, I believe it's pronounced. So yeah, it looks quite impressive. 332 pieces, so it's again standard for that sort of size. As you can see, for a car that is relatively small, the box is excessively big. Maybe that's just to make it feel like it's worth more or something like that. But it has meant, because the box is very hollow, it has arrived very, very damaged. This was actually purchased through Temu, and it was less than £10 to the UK. I think it was near £7 to the UK. So yeah, I've already broken the seal on this. I've not looked inside, so let's just open this up and see what we've got. Okay, so the bags there, printed windscreen and instructions, and looks like a set of stickers in there as well. So yeah, I'll probably, could be transfers, I shall, yeah, probably stick all of those. Yeah, nothing that looks too, sometimes when they put these stickers on there, they logo it up too badly and it just doesn't look right, but yeah, I'll probably do most of that. Right, so let's clear the table, sort the bricks, and we'll get this one built. go, all complete. And I must say, I'm really impressed. Went together really well, pieces all very solid. I was selective with what stickers I put on. Well, they're not stickers, they're all transfers, which apply really well. Some of them were a little bit fiddly. You can see there's like a little vent or a light here. I opted not to bother with some of the ones on the front, and there were some that went over 2 bricks, so I didn't bother with those. There should be another stripe that goes all the way along here as well. Again, I've opted not to put that on. I think it looks okay as it is, but these 2 were printed from factory, but these 2 are ones that I've applied. Bits all along the bottom I've applied. These windscreen was all printed on, but I've applied these and these in the back ones as well. But yeah, it looks really well. Like the wheel trims, gold wheels look really good. Love these elements that it just makes the Lamborghini stand out with this Y-shaped clear bar here, almost like a wishbone sort of shape from a chicken bone. But yeah, it's a signature feature of these cars. Love the detailing of these fins and these vents here, and the shapes of the lights, which are quite tricky to line up, but everything is all so solid on. You know, sometimes with these sort of cars you shake and the exhaust pipes would just fall off, or the wing mirrors would just slip off, but everything is all very solidly done. Only flaw is the interior is a bit basic. It is just a single seat, like center seat layout, which again it wouldn't be the case in real life on this car. I've never been in one, but I'm pretty sure it's a left-hand drive car rather than center. I might be wrong, so forgive me if I am. Also like the base, which is all smooth. So you've got sort of upturned tiles there, which give it a real sort of flush base to it, which is good. And love the sort of clear detail into the back as well. So overall, it's up there with cars built like Lego, really. And if anything, it's better than some. So yeah, can't wait to get the other sets in this range sort of built. I've got 3 others at the moment. But yeah, this is the Lamborghini Sian, which again, they don't have any mention of any of that because it's not licensed. The badge doesn't resemble anything near like what it should do, but you know, the car is that detailed enough that you can tell and distinguish what it is. These black pieces here are also a distinguishing feature of that. But there we go. Has anyone else built this set or built anything else by Sembo? I think there's a couple of other videos I've already done from Sembo blocks. So yeah, check out the playlist for other builds I've previously done of this supplier. But yeah, great little build. What's everyone think? Let me know in the comments. I'll speak to you all soon. Thank you.